G'day adventurers. Have you ever been let down by having a puncture in your tyre that ruins your day? Then the solution is Mean Mother Tyre Repair Kit. Everything you need for a successful repair is in the box. Now we're going to show you a demonstration on how to use it. Now it's essential to understand that this is a temporary solution to fixing your tyre, and it's always best practice to go and get your tyre repaired professionally. So don't forget to always have the emergency tyre repair kit with you, and also a handy compressor so you can keep travelling worry-free. It's an essential piece of gear for your car, four-drive boat or even your caravan. And remember, Mean Mother products won't let you down.